Iwa te kaima iwa I tahi tu atu I hikurangi morena iti iwi. Oh, wow, great start. Morena, guys. Thanks for coming in here.
I would be stoked to tell an Australian pronounce their deal.
Ah, yeah, hard, eh?
Morena.
Morena. Welcome to Australia.
I'm a Maori from Australia.
Yeah, what a great non-bumpy ride into this
Yes,
Morena.
what a
Kia
great
ora.
introduction. Morena whānau, you are here with the crew. Phoenix, Luke, and Marcia. That is the crew. Iara e mana, you already know. I'm back. I was away yesterday.
Yes.
Secret mystery. It was a mystery.
No, we told everybody. You forgot to wake up.
Yeah, told everybody that you were putting. I was actually... I actually listened to you guys.
Liar.
No, it's good to have you back. Yeah.
Yes.
I like having my morning.
What
Morning
is
up with the boys.
the boys.
Yeah, the boys.
Morena, like.
Morena, Marcia. How's it going?
No, I'm waiting for you. Big Morena.
Oh, yes, Maria Morena. Hey, there. Iwi. Is Phoenix's mic on? That's one of our comments already.
It sounds like it is to me.
I can hear you in my ear.
It's definitely on.
It's definitely on.
Definitely on.
Actually, are we on?
Yeah, we're on.
Yes, morning to you. It is what? It is early. It's 7:13 in the morning. Hey, we're on earlier today. That's great.
Oh, yeah. We don't need that. No. Jokes. Whoever's listening.
Anyway, funny. As you
okay.
know,
look.
Heat and what?
Those two have rigged your mic, Phoenix. No, we haven't. What's happened? Push a button.
Maybe just turn you up a little bit more.
I'm all up.
Yeah, you're
up.
all the way up.
I'm all the way up.
Can you hear him now, everybody?
No.
There's always an issue, isn't it?
Yeah, there's always something. There's always.
Morena ite iwi.
Yeah.
I'm coming through the mic like I'm.
Oh yeah, no, I can definitely hear you. Maybe.
Yes, I'm just not coming through the live airways.
You're loud in my head.
Anyway, let's play a bit of hype music to get the morning going.
Oh, here it is.
No, Mikey T. I'll pie.
Yeah. Work it.
Welcome to the good life. Hey.
The wait is over. Hi.
Welcome to the good life.
Welcome to the good life. Sorry, man.
Let's go.
Hit it.
Hey, to the front. Hey, wake up, everybody. Morena, yada, mara.
We added.
We added. You are added. Keep your knee away from me. It looks all scratchy, Tugger.
It's healing. It's healing, guys.
We were thinking today, Whānau, so as you know, we always play Iara e Mara to help get the brain juices flowing for the morning, but we thought, you know what, we should introduce like a little punishment or a little consequence for the loser of the game. So whoever loses Iara e Mara.
Didn't hear that music. Okay.
What? Maybe it's me. Maybe, okay, look here.
We're doing, sorry
maybe
to cut you off.
Our
comments coming through says, didn't hear the music, and Phoenix sounds like he's in the next room.
He is.
That is because check laptop mic, Mars, for Phoenix.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Technical.
This
audio.
You know, every day we come in here, we...
okay.
Maybe it is me. What are you plugged into? Like this?
Maybe it is me. How was that? I reset it.
Hang on, where's the other plug that you usually plug?
How's that, Etiwi? Go say check 1 2.
Check 1 2. 1 2.
1 2 sound check.
1 2 sound checking. Checking.
Much better.
You just had to have
the old, me.
You had to do the old twist-a-rooney.
Yeah. Plug it in properly.
The plug it in properly, Tanga. Couple of slaps.
I can hear you now.
Well, here I am, Whānau. I was just saying, as I was saying before, Marcia forgot to plug in the thing properly. We play Iara e Mara every morning. You know that. But we are going to introduce some sort of like punishment, some sort of like consequence for whoever loses.
How rude.
Iara e Mara. And so, like, it could be.
Why?
So get ready, Luke.
Yeah. Maybe we need a wheel of punishments too.
But I think just for today, just for today, let's ask you guys listening in the live stream, what's the punishment that they have to do? And keep in mind, we've got to be able to do it right here, right now in the studio, because we don't want to have to get props or go anywhere. We've got to do it here now, live. Do it. So it could be like, we had a couple of examples, like a solo live waiata.
Look, you leave for one day and you come back.
Yeah.
You're the principal of the school.
Yes, that is right. Now, wait your turn.
Also got a punishment for not coming.
Yeah. And then, or like a solo haka, or like solo, I don't know, something. Come at us,
Something
Fane, with some
solo.
suggestions. Come at us
Just
with some
to up
suggestions.
the ante.
Up the ante.
Just to
Gosh.
make it, because at the moment, losing's like, oh, whatever, I don't mind losing. But we don't want that attitude around here.
Yeah.
You want to mind losing.
We want you to not like losing.
Getting anxiety.
That's what you should be feeling.
Yeah, see,
When you walk in.
now we're talking.
This job means something to you.
So if you have any examples, Fane, chuck them in the comments. Let's get going. We need some examples for consequence for the loser of Iara e Mara.
Ai, kia ora. I tēnei wā kia ngā whakarunga tō tātou te tiro mō ngā tohu huarere.
Aye.
It's not looking too great out there.
No, you know what? Last night, though, was moist considering it was
Oh,
wet.
it was. Tika.
That's right. Ngā tohu huarere mō tēnei rā. Welcome to He Whangaora Hei Pai
Kohi
Kohinga. It is currently 21.1 degrees here in Whangarei, and it's a high of 26 degrees with 82% humidity, which means it's going to be very moist, tanga. It is wetty, tanga, moist. It is mostly cloudy, the odd shower, mainly this morning and evening, northeasterly, sun setting at 8:32 p.m.
Oh, kia ora. Sounds great. Ki ngā tai o whāngarei. I thought I had it open, but I don't. Now I do. Next tide will be high tide, and that's at 20 to 10 later on this morning, and then low tide later on this afternoon. It's got sunset at 8:30 though.
Yes, that's right.
Kia ora.
8:32, it says, same as mine. 8:32.
Or at least we're on the same tohu huarere. No, when's low tide? Low tide is at 22:03.
Fabulous.
4. 20 to 4. I hate these lot. This here, today, ngā tai.
Is it 50? Yes.
20 to
25.
No.
25 to 4.
Yes, there you go. Shh.
You make me laugh.
And
Made
then
me laugh.
I need you guys.
Oh, you need us now, do you?
Yeah.
Oh,
I need you to do the solo waita because you're gonna lose the game. No, I think I have our Mara Mataka for the day, but I'm
Ura.
not sure.
One job, Phoenix.
I'm using a new source. Well, because of my phone.
Oh.
It's usually on my phone. But my phone is in use, right? It's incapacitated right now. So I'm trying a new place.
I thought you had a conversation with Rona.
Oh, that's right.
I
Yeah.
mean, Hina.
Yeah,
Both.
she got a new phone number. I got a new phone, lost her number, new number. Who does? Anyway, push the button. Boom. Ko mata atu tātou ki te Mara Mataka.
I was waiting for the sexy
Yeah.
part of it.
Oh,
Oh.
I thought it was you. That was.
Yeah, that was it.
But you're going to say the little laugh, little.
Oh.
It always gets me started.
Oh.
Oh, good.
No,
All right, start again.
Start again.
All right, fine. Ko tātou, tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga.
Now he's
tēnei ko.
nervous.
Yeah. I don't want to disappoint. Sexy Mara Mataka. Your one's equally as sexy.
It's really not.
No, it was terrible. Yesterday was terrible. Okay, I'm ready now.
Tēnā no tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tō koutou wahanga maka. Kia neko sexy Mara Mataka. Ina pō i mātai atu ki te marama. I pātai atu ki aia. He aha te wahanga o tēnei marama. Hei ko tāna, ko whiro. Te atu au tēnei marama, te āhua o tēnei marama. Ai ko whiro. Tino iti te hihiko i tēnei rā. So, kia āta haere. Kia moi.
I don't know.
Fido. It was a little. Fido.
Fido.
Yeah, low energy day.
Yeah.
Good day to relax.
Non-productive.
Take a chill pill. Get ready for the month ahead.
Kia ora.
Be stronger.
The month ahead. And speaking of the month ahead, we're in day 2 of the second month of the year.
That's
Yes.
And sooner or later, like soon enough, it's going to be 12 days of Christmas.
Actually, it's so crazy. Your birthday's next month, eh?
Yes, but who's this in, like next week?
Oh, get up.
Oh, what are we doing? Probs nothing.
Yeah.
Probs.
Next week is Mahi's birthday. Mine is
Yes.
in March, the first week of March.
Yeah.
Gosh, we're getting old,
Yeah,
aren't
same.
we?
And we did a shout out to your brother. His birthday yesterday.
41
yes.
years old.
41 years old. Pretty much.
On that note, if you do have a birthday shout out, tēnā tono o mai, and
Mm.
we will put it out there. You'll be world famous in whangarei.
Yes, but
Aye.
before that, whānau, we are going to get back to the rhythm of the rohe. We have India Ari with I Am Not My Hair. This is
Oh.
Australia certified classic.
Ura. Hey.
Kau huri ki te anake, Ngāti Hine FM.
Little girl with the pressing curl. 8 I got a Jerry curl. 13.
Welcome to the VIBs, the very important backstages.
You get all the tea and all the shade with the backstage pass.
What's the backstage pass?
The backstage pass is where you get the ins and outs of our hosting, the real core.
The backstage passes. We can't pay for copyright on Facebook.
Yes, if you don't hear the music, you hear us. You hear everything.
Yeah.
Farts and all,
Gossip and
gossip and
That was
all.
him yesterday.
Who don't like her and all.
Yeah. Also, if you have some consequences or punishment ideas for Iara e Mana, throw them out there, family. Tēnā, tunu tuku noa tia mai.
Coming back is all freaking fun.
Fun.
Yeah, backstage.
Oh, it's because my mic's off.
Oh. Well, I tend to, like, usually I turn them off. I mean, usually I do turn them on so they can hear you better.
Maybe turn down the mics.
Thank you.
Shut up. I love that we get like commentary back into it. Much better now.
Jan.
Ah, that's right. Oh, it's Yosefo coming in today.
Yes.
Thank
At
you,
a club.
generator, for hooking us up with the one and only Yosefo.
Yeah, awesome. You're going to be early last night?
Did you tell them what day it is?
No, I think we'll do it when we come back.
Right. No, I didn't. Fail.
What time did you go to bed?
Fail.
I was in bed. I hopped into bed at 8:30. which
Oh,
is
wow.
Very early for me. I was so tired. But did I go to sleep at 8:30?
No.
No.
10:30.
Yes, I turned my phone off
It's all right.
10:30.
8:30
But I think it
though.
took me an hour
That's
to
like,
get to sleep.
good night, family. I don't want to see you or talk to you.
Oh, I was tired because of the thing they had with the police with the neighbour.
Oh, yes.
So but everyone went to bed early. But I didn't go to sleep till like an hour later. What time did you go to bed?
No. I
Tell
failed.
me!
Is my camera right? I can't see it. Like, am I seeing?
You're
it?
frozen. You're like the little creepy man in the back. Oh, you guys, it's gone now.
And can I go down a little bit? Yeah, pai ake tira. Pai tira.
What time? Was it midnight?
It was after midnight.
How do you go to sleep? How do you like not want to stay in bed?
What do you mean?
Like when your light's off. You're like, no.
Oh, no.
You just wait up. You're like, out. Shut
Fact, of course, if you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere,
up.
you better wake up and get out of bed.
Wanna go somewhere?
Are you tired?
Better wake up and
You must be tired. You
Let's
tired?
sing it, 3
I'm
parts.
tired. No,
3
you
seconds.
Yeah, I'm just like a nut now.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Morena e te iwi. It is Luke, Marcy and Phoenix right up until 9 a.m. this morning, but I've got some news, everybody.
Ooh,
I've got some news.
get it.
Because today is donut day, donut day.
Oh, the doodah day.
Look at that. We've got
That
a
looks so
fantastic-
good.
Good.
That's right.
Love a good shandy cream.
Yes, so that is coming to you later on this morning, but just prepping you all for the coolness that is laptop audio, Mars.
Oh, thank you. You should work here. Hey, come on.
Oh,
If you are listening on the radio today, it's which means we review the donuts of Te Whanga o Reipai, Kohi Kohi Ngā Donuts.
Kohi kohi ngā donuts.
And I'm showing the people online what it looks like, but if you'll get the real commentary later on, all you radio listeners.
Love a good donut.
That looks
They
yum.
used to be like $1 when I went to school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Crazy, right?
Not too far off.
No, that was not too bad, actually.
But
Yes.
everything else, though, pies in there are like
True,
$4
eh?
or $5.
Probably in terms of growth, it's the slowest growing price
Yeah.
object.
Oh, look what we did. We just put the price up. We bumped it up.
Well, yeah.
Anyway,
Here on Noiti, we are checking out what game we're going to play for today.
Ooh, te wira.
Ai, Noreira. If you're online, then look to your screen. You'll see the Wheel of Fortune.
anxiety.
Te wira.
Te wira, te wira, te wira.
Tell us what
Te
we're
wira,
playing today.
te
E
wira.
te matua, wira.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's the high note
The high
challenge.
note challenge.
Oh my gosh.
This is the no falsetto zone, baby.
Yes, let's
Oh.
go. We've
Let's-
got this.
We just added that one in recently
We
too.
did.
So the high note challenge whānau, which we'll be giving a go in a moment, essentially is you sing a line of a song, the next person sings a little bit higher until
To
Kakitanga.
one person,
karakitanga, and then
yes, there's a consequence.
Punishment.
Don't look at me. Don't
I'm
you?
not. I'm just
Yeah.
like creating conversation.
Luke's got some range.
Oh, but
Yes, get it.
still, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, so high note challenge at 7:30 in the morning. So we will be playing a waiata, and then we'll be betting back.
Yeah, we're getting Betty back.
We're getting back to our Kiwi, the high note challenge, while we try and figure out, which part of song are we going to sing actually today too. Nō reira
Yes.
whānau, kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. After that, we have our game, E Ara E Mara, the high note challenge. Still heaps to come on the show, whānau. Kau tonu mai, kupa lock. Ngā te hene pēr.
Hey, banger.
Wow, old school.
Bit
Yeah.
of Bow Wow, like you and Ciara. Ngā te hene FM.
Whatever happened to Bow Wow?
Was
that
he
little-
still around?
Okay, what's our high note song?
Look at the ayo.
Yeah.
How does that go?
Look at that. Ayo. Ah. Okay, listen here. This is how it goes. Look at that. Ayo. Look at that. Ayo. Look at that. Ayo. Look at that. Ayo. It's one line. Kika.
Why can't it just be one word?
Look at that. Ayo. Repeat.
Look at it, ayo. But isn't it just the one note we're doing? Not
Yeah,
the
no,
whole
it's gotta,
trills?
we've got to give them something, not
Ah,
just. Have you not seen a high note challenge? What's another?
You
What's
just do
another?
a note. You gotta you go
Oh.
sing the line, and then the next person you meet, and you just keep going up and up and up and up. Look at the ayo. Look at the
What's
ayo.
that?
Let's do it live.
There was that song.
You will start down there. So when we get up to the normal, it's easy.
Yeah, yeah.
Sing it again.
Look at the ayo. Look at the ayo. Look at the ayo.
So it goes, look at that, yo. Look at that, yo.
Oh, down.
Look at that, yo. Look at that, yo.
It's too much admin.
Too much admin. It's 3 words.
It's
Go.
4 different notes.
Yeah, it's
Look
actually-
at, wow, start singing.
I'll just get her.
Oh, bro, I can't even.
Oh, no, Janet, no.
Me.
Janet suggested Love on Top. I suggest.
Oh,
Stay
bro.
home.
Beyonce plays that high note challenge and she's the only winner.
Oh, just figure it out.
Oh, what's the Tongan one? What? Oti.
How do you know these?
Because we look on social media.
I don't watch anything.
We're not viral. You're viral.
Currently, I'm
We
watching
watch
Blackhead removal.
Have
you seen it?
Nah.
No,
Jen love
yeah.
it, though. Jen loves that
Honestly, did you? The biggest
stuff. I need a
blackhead.
vocal woman.
The
I know
biggest
challenge,
blackhead
say
was popped
amen.
the other day online. It was disgusting.
Yeah.
It was a 55-year-old blackhead. It was huge. It was like a marble.
What's the memory lane one?
Oh, there was that last line. In the bridge.
Oh, yeah. Okay, got it?
Oh yeah, nah. We got this.
And then you commit.
We need to start really low.
Then we'll go for ages.
Yeah, it would.
Nuku. That's a good start.
No, that's high. Oh my god.
Ia ia hine amaru mo tōna tamaiti kia whē. Koia I waiwai tia tana mata ki ana roimata. Ka huaina tia te ingoa o taua wāhi ko mata waia. E tūmai rā I te taha o te whare hui ko te whare kai e mohi o tia na ko media. Me te mahara ki ngā kōrero mā te tika mai o ngā mahi o muri, ka tika mai ngā mahi o mua.
Matawaia, ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
With Omicron now in New Zealand, the best thing you can do is to get your booster as soon as it's due. Boosters lower your chances of getting very sick and being hospitalised and help slow the spread of the virus. That's why it's important to get your booster 4 months after your second dose. If you're 18 and over and your booster is due, get it now. Get your booster. Get ready. Book or find a walk-in vaccination centre at bookmyvaccine.nz.
The rhythm of the rohe.
So could I have you tomorrow? Could I have you today?
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kama iwa I rau no ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM. More nei I te iwi, we have come to that time. E kia nei ko e ara e mara. The wheel of fate spat out our Kiwi mo tangi nei. And it spat out
High note.
High Note Challenge.
High Note Challenge.
And so one of the ones that we know of is, of course, Nuku Te Aio. Kei tiri te koe e ko.
Am I going first? No, I'm not
Yeah,
going first.
you start it.
No, Phoenix start tonight. You've got a good
You're
note.
right.
You start, Phoenix.
Well, yeah, and then we could give Luke a chance to remember the rangi because he hasn't heard it yet. Oh, now we're
Your
just looking
phone
at
is
the roof.
ready to go to the rangi.
Yeah, that's where he wants to see the note up
Nuku
there.
Te Aio. Paitera?
Aye.
Oh, bro, it's like the low note challenge for me.
All right, fine, mate. We're about to give this high note challenge a go.
Oh, Nuku Te Aio. That's it there.
Okay, all right.
Look, we're just giving Luke a little bit of a tutorial
Here
and
we
he's
go.
on his way.
Nuku te aio, nuku te aio, Nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o.
Oh, nuku te ai o, nuku te
feels like it's
ai
getting high already.
o,
Yeah.
nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o.
Nukute ai, nukute ai. Oh, it's high already. Nukute ai o, nukute ai o, nukute ai o, nukute ai o.
Nice. Nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o.
Let's go.
Nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o. Damn.
Nuku te ai o.
Are they getting back to me, hopefully?
Nuku te ai o. Nuku te ai o. Nuku te ai o. Nuku te
ai o.
Get it.
Nukute
Come back.
ai o.
Don't glitch.
Nukute ai o. Nukute ai o.
Nuku.
What is it? Nuku. Nuku te ai o. Nuku te ai o.
Oh, yes.
Nuku te ai. Nah,
You better come back. Hurry up.
Nuku te ai o.
Yes. Oh, nuku te ai o. 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 Nuku te ai o.
Nukute ai o.
Down.
Nukute ai o. Nukute ai o.
Nuku.
Nah, I can't do that.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Remember the consequence.
What is it?
Nuku.
Nah.
Go.
Nah, I
can do
can't
it.
do
Look,
that.
You
it's
can
a
do
safe
it.
space.
It's a
The
safe-
least we're gonna do is laugh.
It's a safe space where there are thousands of people at home
Yeah,
listening.
it's only us three.
Nuku,
Nah,
come
I
on.
can't,
That's hard.
I can't do that.
Don't try.
That's pretty
Please
high.
try.
That's high.
Please try.
Nuku te ai o. Nuku te ai o. Nuku te ai o.
Yes.
Nukute ai o.
Nice.
Nukute ai o. Nukute ai o.
Nuku te ai o.
Oh, nice.
Oh, sorry, our Phoenix is yes.
There we go. It's the team. It's the team thing.
Oh man.
Look,
That-
we've got hurry up.
Oh, shut up, generator.
Good.
If good is like not cracking it, then it was great.
Oh.
Nah, that was good. I like how you guys committed. I couldn't even hit the next nuku. I
Can
was
you,
like,
can you
nah.
just at least do it, just to hear it?
What was it?
You've lost, but it's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, see, nah, no way.
Just try.
I have the falsetto it. That's how hard it is.
Oh, that was hard.
If it was a falsetto game, I would totally lose.
I feel sick now.
I think it's my nose, my blocked nose that stops me.
Ah,
That's what I'm going to blame it on.
Yeah,
anyway,
yeah, nice.
great. That's.
That
I
was
think we're
fun.
out of the mud.
I'm
Yeah.
definitely at it, yeah.
And I'm actually,
really good.
I don't know, but you got a little bit quiet. I'm looking forward to this consequence wheel.
Well, since there was no suggestions coming through on that, there's no more consequence.
Alrighty, te ui koina te nui o te kemu e ara e mara mo te rangi nei. Kia oti anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly, we're going to check out topical news.
Yes, but before that, finally, we are Pulling Me Back. He waiata o mua from Chingy.
Chingy.
Kauhuri ki te ana ki ngā te Hili FM.
Telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to call, something keeps telling me that everything don't be all.
Handstand through the health trust office
That's a good one.
with your shirt off.
No one needs to see that.
You're great.
I can, eh?
That was fun though.
He's like, I like that one.
Oh, that was very good. Okay, that was
That was
harder than you
funny.
think, actually.
Yeah.
It goes up like real up, eh? Yeah.
Like as soon as the first round, I'm like, oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, no.
Do you know why it's hard to sing a high note like that?
Because it's early in the morning?
Well, yeah, that. And also because the vowels are... What are the vowels?
Nuku. I find oo
It's
is
the-
better than ah.
Yes, it's the ah. That's the... You can't push hard on it. Ah.
Yeah.
So or and a oo you can.
Because I is because your mouth's open.
And you got to go ooh ah.
Yeah.
Ulua.
Well, I couldn't even do that. Next nuku.
Payment and Kaimoana. Hey, I'm down.
Oh, payment.
Oh,
Is
no.
she talking to us?
Yeah.
Or is she talking
She's
to whoever
talking-
Louise is?
No consequence.
Oh. So I was like, maybe
Oh,
she's
she
on the
was
wrong
talking
chat.
to Louise,
Who's Louise?
my cousin. She was listening.
Oh, I wasn't sure. I thought maybe she's on the wrong chat.
That's just Jan trying to get a free crayfish.
Oh,
There's mum's suggestion.
Oh, was it?
But also, yes, she's trying to get a free credit.
Okay, I'll go for it, guys.
I think the next one we should try is that Love on Top. That'd be quite hard.
Bro, that's already hard.
You're the one I love.
Use hard to sing high.
You're the one I need.
You're only one I need.
Come on, baby, it's you.
Are you guys able to kohi kohi ngā kena paua or kutai to change those lyrics?
Sa kokos. Koi ngā taina.
No, I did listen to you guys yesterday. You were talking about getting pipis and nunguru.
Oh, yes, and
Yes.
how that was like,
Yeah, and
it's
how
not
you
as,
used to, but now you
yeah.
can't. I did listen.
It is red say. Can you still?
No.
No,
It
yeah,
was
damn.
like
A band, eh?
yeah, it was a band because of the algae in the
Sewage.
water, and then they've just gone. Like maybe they just died off
Yeah.
because of the algae in it. I don't really know.
People's parutanga.
Actually, it is though.
Like you literally, it was just
Yeah, it was like,
everywhere.
yeah, low tide, everyone's out there bucket like 10 minutes in and out.
Yes, Louise, one of 6 listeners at at that time from New South Wales.
Kia ora.
Well, the whānau over in Aussie listen daily.
That's good. We had a lady from
Perth.
Perth listening yesterday, and it was 3 a.m. over there.
Oh wow! Out.
She's added.
Te Home, yes, we went to Te Home on Sunday to pick Pippi. I didn't, but I watched.
Oh,
Oh, so you can't even say kohi kohi ngā pipis.
Yeah.
No, I watched. There's lots of people though.
Ah, yeah, you can't go in there anyway. It's hard to crutch in the soft end. 10
oh!
seconds.
Oh!
Oh,
4
it's topical
seconds.
news.
Aye.
Alright.
Good news, wow!
Mai ngā rekereke o Parihaka Maunga ki te awa o Hātea. Ngāti Hine FM, Marcia, put it back on the airwaves. No mai hoki mai ki tēnei hōtaka e we're here till 9. And right now, we are crossing live to one of our reporters on the street. Hey, Bird, what's the word
Hey,
on the
Marcia,
street?
thank you so much for that great introduction. We're live here in the studio with the word of the bird on the streets of the creek. Yeah, just blow my eardrums.
Sorry, guys.
The word on the street is, now look, if you're single, Marcia, you're single?
How did you know?
Hey, I'm also
What happened with the
single.
All Black? Is he?
Yeah, no,
Later.
wow, yeah.
No.
I gave him the flick.
Yeah.
Hey, Phoenix is not single. No.
No.
But if you are listening at home or you're watching online and you're single and you're Māori, well then there's a new dating
Ooh!
app. There's a new dating app that's been created just for Māori people. It's called
But like
Māori-
anybody could probably join.
well,
But
for-
it's been created
looking
as
at the
Māori as the
pictures-
audience.
Yeah, looking at the pictures, I'm confident you want to date this
Yeah.
person.
And the dating app's called Ngā Puhi.
It's MaoriDating.net, and it's a new website and app for Māori singles to meet other Māori people. However, it says, being such a specific community, Māori of New Zealand naturally have the need to make online communities for their own people. You can meet singles if you're single, or you're old and young. Even if you're taken, there is someone for you. Even if you're taken.
Wowie.
Mm. But what they do is they ask you for your iwi, which is quite cool, and they try to connect you with someone from your iwi, which I think is a bit weird
Oh,
because
it should be someone from out of your iwi.
next
They're
minute,
trying to
probably related.
boost their own iwi.
next minute it's your cousin's cousin's
Yeah,
cousin.
yeah. What they should be asking if it was a Māori Tinder is their iwi their last name. And so make sure that they're not hooking up with their
Yeah,
cousin.
not even that though. You should have to input your grandparents, your great grandparents' names.
I just think it's weird. It says try out Māori dating and start finding romance.
Also-
This is what it looks like.
Oh, they could have done better with the graphics.
Yeah, but
It
I'll
looks
show
like
you.
actually with those photos around, it looks
gonna
like
show you the person's
Māoris that
photo.
lost.
This is
in
well,
the
this is who
90s.
you could be dating. Wow. She's in the corner there. If you're listening at home, you don't want to see that.
Oh,
neither
sad.
of neither
It
of
was
which look
sad.
Māori to me.
No, well, there's this lady here too, which I think she's kind of scary.
Oh my god!
Be
Stop
listening,
showing the
actually.
stop showing
And
the
she's
photos.
watching.
What I
She's
don't like
watching,
about it
that's
is that the actual app doesn't look inviting. Like
Yeah, it
who
looks
consulted over the font,
Well,
the colours?
The reason why I haven't gone in to like sign in to have a look because I think it's actually a scam. It doesn't look right. But anyway, MaoriDating.net. Have a look, get your jam on, and get your iwi tanga going. Shakalaka, you could be
Aye.
going home with
some land.
Stop showing the people.
That's right.
No, yeah. Get your iwi tanga on, put in your iwi, your whakapapa.
Your wakapas, and boom, you could be making some more
Boom.
wakapas.
He iwi anō, he iwi kotahi tātou. Let's
Generator,
crack up.
there is hope for you after
So,
all.
other than inserting your iwi,
You put your name,
that's
your
the
age.
only
Yeah, and then
difference.
you, you also put in what you're after, man or female. But then it asks you if you're interested in people that are taken. So I think it's like open relationship stuff.
Yeah.
No.
That is cringe. Party
Oh, it's a homewrecker session.
Cringe. Yeah.
So MaoriDating.net.
What is that? Is that the Maori element? Is it?
Yeah,
Who did that?
Yeah,
Racist.
yeah.
It's actually a little bit offensive.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if you
And
want to
then
try it
there
out,
is a grinder just
Ah,
for you,
yeah.
Luke, and it's called Te Wao Nui Atane.
Te Wao Nui Atane. I te
Now,
tanga.
if you were thinking of a Maori way, you'd think
Yeah.
of a Maori name like that.
Absolutely.
yeah.
Not
That,
Māori
that
dating.
captures the essence of, the
Yeah,
kaupapa.
yeah. Not
But just Maori dating.
yeah, not
Ah.
I'm a MaoriDateMe.com.
Hey,
Yeah,
if you
who
have
put-
if you have used the MaoriDating.net website, let us know. How's it going?
Maybe we should put your profile in and see how it goes.
Yeah.
We'll see, like, Luke, you got a date with Fortney
Let's do it. That'll be funny. Let's
Don't
all.
even try it.
We'll
He's taken.
you do look like a flagpole. You might like it.
I give you
He'll
that.
chop it down.
But
Any
we
more?
should. That'll be funny. You should let us like one day. Like maybe that's a punishment for our mother. He lets us. He lets us rewrite his bio on Tinder and
Oh.
that. We rewrite it.
Yeah.
That's quite fun.
Yeah, let's rewrite it and we'll get to choose your profile pic.
Yes. But if any of you want to go try out this new Maori dating, be wary. Not because it's Maori dating, but because it just looks like it.
Because it looks cucks.
It doesn't look like who thought of the font and the
Yeah,
color
yeah.
scheme.
But even
No,
the name,
not much
Māori
thought went
dating.
behind that. Yeah, and just the name.
Yeah,
But
don't
boring.
agree. Don't agree.
Here we
Any
are.
topical news for you, Phoenix?
No.
Marcy, anything for you?
Well, I was going to do it later because I thought the stating was going to go on for a little bit.
Oh no, I'm over it now.
Yeah.
Hovi hey H, Hova.
Anyway, fine. On that amazing note. Ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe, we have Bruno Mars with Treasure.
Ooh.
Ka ui huri ki te anaki. Ngāti Hene FM.
I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're one of our flawless, who you
Morena, e te toko. Oh, bless your heart.
Morena, Sarah Kay.
Tala noa ako is the thing to support Pacifica families in Whangarei.
Kia ora.
Please join us for dinner and 10 sessions to talk about how to navigate the education system with your children. Cool. Fale Pacifica. Where's that?
Do we have a Fale Pacifica?
Rust Ave. Oh. Is he coming in
Yes.
to
No,
talk on his behalf?
I think it's just to give us an up on what the kaupapa is.
Kia ora!
Ora.
Oh my gosh, I've got all these emails.
What do I do, Marcia? How do I make that go back?
Do not reply.
Layouts.
Default, eh?
Yeah, and then go back. Layout. And go back to layouts.
That one?
Yeah.
gosh, this email's just
Uh,
Pride should do emails.
mine, oh, mine.
Hey! Hey! Woo!
Treasure.
Morena te toko toro tapa.
You missed the high note challenge, Sir K.
Oh.
You would have loved it.
You're a bit late today, Sarah K. What's happening?
It sounded like this.
Can you just do it while Can you do it while no one's listening?
No, that's it. Like the one I did, that was the highest I got. I couldn't even get that one.
It's quite hard.
With that attitude.
We got it out. What are your plans today? You at work today or are you with the whānau?
I'm working from home today.
Oh,
Get
cute.
it.
What are you up to?
Yes, working from home. I'm just literally working from my home. All my stuff is at home.
Oh, yeah. So you come on.
I bought the laptop on my hard drives in my Mac. Ba 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 da ba.
10 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tu atu I hikurangi morena e te iwi.
Kia ora. Now, my topical news was...
okay, now you're okay.
well, I'm on the streets of Rarotonga. And the border's open for them, eh? We can go back to Rarotonga.
Backwards and forwards.
And I feel like that was still iffy, because the Omicron, and it's like, I don't really want to go. Anyway, I know some people that are over there at the moment.
Yes.
And they're like living it up.
Yes.
It's actually everything is slowly coming back to normal for Rarotonga because, and then one of the questions was, what's changed in the last, since the last time everybody's been over there? And she's got change of faces, more immigrant workers from Asia, Fiji, India, European Germans. Yeah, so there's more of, Era Kaimahi. More cows, true story.
Wow.
A few more whānau businesses, food and adventure tourism operators, Airbnbs, more of those, more ACOM, so people are starting, to get their own
That's good.
business going because they needed to. The airport, you can't just walk in anymore. Since the new build a few years ago, there's like proper lines and customs and all of that. Even though there's always been that, but there's always been that lax. They like,
no chandel,
what's in
no
your
shoes.
bag?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
good.
nothing. Go on.
Yeah.
But now there's like proper processes.
Oh, nothing. Just got
So
a
that's
cow
good
in my
to
bag.
know. The licensing and stuff, scooters, it doesn't last for a whole year anymore, your license.
Oh.
And I know it's changed now. You can't just go around the block anymore. You have to do it by the police station. I remember doing that myself. Where you have to weave in and out of the cones.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So that's still a thing, and it's actually upped a little bit. So it's a bit more difficult to get your license, and you can't just come back with a Rarotongan license and it be the same equivalent here in Aotearoa because it used to be.
Yeah, it used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, heck.
No, so they've cracked down on that. Good on them. You have to wear a helmet, which is good. The Saturday markets, they're starting.
Yes.
Well, you used to go there for the deals or for, more authentic, I don't know, away from the tourist shops. But they said they're starting to get back to that, but they're very pricey at the moment, the Saturday markets.
Oh.
But the Muri markets,
Still
great
there.
to hear,
Oh,
still
yeah.
there, and it's slowly starting to get back to it. More shops, more whānau are starting to put their kai stores back into the Muri market.
markets.
That's
Man.
cool.
I used to love. They always do like those creamy mushrooms on chips. And that.
Chips. Oh, yeah, boy.
Kia ora. But yeah, she said one little bit different sort of review. She said one thing that hasn't changed, the smell of burning green rubbish smouldering the many home yards. It's unique to Rarotonga. Like they always cleaning up their yards and smoking
There's
it.
a lady I know who was in Rarotonga prior to the August lockdown. Like she went there for a retreat. And when the lockdown happened in August, the government of Rarotonga said anyone that's currently here from New Zealand is welcome to stay as long as you like, but anyone coming can't. So she's still there now.
Oh wow.
She decided just to stay
Yeah.
because it's just chilled and relaxed. So that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I
Good
like
to
it.
know it's still
Yeah.
pumping as such.
Yeah, so those little rules that they sort of, laxed as about, well, I actually quite enjoyed those.
Yeah, same, actual. So, Pana, if you wanted to go check out Rarotonga, you can now.
It's quarantine-free travel.
Yeah, good to know that the Muri markets are still pumping
Oh,
because,
bro.
everyone goes to Muri markets. That's where you go get your kai.
I went
Yeah.
there hungover and it was amazing.
Yeah. Anyway, Pana.
Mushroom on rice, mushroom.
While we think about the islands and the beautiful island of Rarotonga, we will get back to our Waiata. Straight after this, we have our news from Waiata, and then we'll be back.
We're coming back with the doo-doo donut.
Ooh, donut day. Let's go so you can see what Luke's review is of the donut. No reira, kia hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohi we have Wycliffe Sean.
Kia ora nā
911.
katoa.
Ngāti Hene FM.
Your punishment should be eat the donut. No.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Yeah, the kanga.
Do I have time to get me? Oh, so go straight to the news, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's right, the funders are off.
And then your Sephora should be here.
Yeah, I won't be.
Oh.
I'll just go get my cup of tea.
You go get him like, nah,
If you start now, it'll be just in time. Oh. No, we didn't even forward tell that at all.
We can still. Like, we'll come back and full tell them and then go. Hey!
Usos.
Hey, Margie. Hey, brother. All good. Hey, brother.
Oh, congratulations, Sue.
Oh, thanks.
Nah.
No. Friday night.
and we'll intro you and your kaupapa, and then you'll sit here and then talk to these two about your kaupaps.
I was hoping to get out of this too.
Eh?
I was like, oh, shot Charlotte, you're going in.
You can do it. Look, Charlotte, she's listening. They can actually hear us too, just by the way, if you say something bad about Charlotte. The whole time?
Yeah.
Just a little
after
bit,
the
eh?
song?
Yeah. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba. What's new at Toko Toko? Even though I live above there. I don't know.
Well, Wi-Fi was out last week.
Oh, yes, no, yeah. Maya's like, what's wrong with the Wi-Fi? I was like, I don't know. She's like, it doesn't go. I was like, oh, well, cute cat.
Yeah. Veeps. We've got like a new kind of structure that we're trying to run for our mentoring space. Like that we all kind of meet up together in the morning, have kai.
Oh, yeah.
And then then they go about their business, and there's lunch on offer too. Nothing flash, just simple. And then come back. So we're planning to have like a morning block, afternoon, after school block. So we're running in those different times.
How many youth do you look after individually, or do you?
A lot at the moment.
Oh yeah.
A lot of
Fuck buddy!
Hey bro,
This
how's
is
it going?
I heard about your league.
Oh, nice. Are we on live still? I was going to say another word, but I can't. Who would you like to search?
He'll sit here and then he'll talk to you. So he can have a mic. I'll be roving.
Okay.
But we'll forward sell him first.
Oh yes.
We'll come and do our normal weather, normal intro. Forward sell him and then you'll be on.
Okay. You don't mind if I said my name to you? Sorry.
No,
come on.
Any updates on your didn't you go for Sky?
Huh? Oh yes, I haven't heard anything yet. No, I got an email from Rob Ruha to say they received your audition. Then he goes, and can I just say, great job.
Oh!
That's all I know, but I haven't heard anything
Does he
more.
have a lot to do with that stuff?
I don't know. He's
I
part of the
think
creative
so.
team, but I don't know if he's part of the casting of it.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what's her name, Grandma Tala.
Yes. Yeah, she's part of the casting. But it's also Disney as well.
Yes.
They have
they have a final
which is all good.
Yeah. But they would have a big say, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. So fingers crossed. Oops.
And Tweety. I've met Tweety once or twice.
Who?
Tweety Waititi.
Oh yes, I don't know who.
But she does a lot, eh? Yeah.
She's quite involved with that stuff. Which
I
was like,
know.
oh wow.
We met her doing stuff for Hatia with like Holly Smith and that.
This time I'll do Kohi Kohi Ngā.
Changing it up. Ngā what? What have you kohi Ngā bills.
Pina coladas?
Ngā pina coladas.
Caramel latte.
Ah! Kohi Kohi Ngā caramel latte.
Is that you? A caramel latte?
Used to be, not anymore. Did you have a good holiday?
Yeah.
Are you still on holiday?
No.
Oh, cool.
Back
Oh,
at
no, it's
work.
February now. You're not back at work. Hello.
Hello.
Where's Phoenix gone?
He's on his phone.
Oh. All right.
Hey, Yosefo. Oh, he's already got the shout outs.
Oh, who's that?
Jen.
Jen.
Generator.
She's
Charlotte Tapilu.
one of 3 top commenters.
Charlotte Tapilu. Morena.
Charlotte was going to come in and do this corridor.
Oh, okay,
So
gotcha.
she's seeing if he's going to fail. Nah.
See if I'm going straight home. Or
Well done. You get to work on.
And it's the donut day today. Do donuts. We'll review a donut on a Wednesday now.
Yeah, where's that from?
Manu Hot Bread Shop.
I don't like Manu Bakery.
I used to like their pies, but no, I don't.
I don't like the bakery itself, but that donut looks great.
That's very good.
That's what, across the road from the BP?
Yep.
Yeah, see now the whole shop, and especially the hot pie stuff. It gives me like I'm a pie from yesterday vibes.
Oh, we had that. Yes, because we reviewed their pies last year, and it was like, this is yesterday's.
Yeah, that's
Was the
nasty.
pastry like extra crispy?
Yeah, oh wow, just extra chewy.
Yeah, and it just fell. It was just yuck. It's gross.
Kikawata, it's ages.
Marcia's like, do you know Yosef? I was like, yes, I met him the day we moved your house, and then we also stopped out the lady that was cutting herself.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, that was intense.
It was intense.
You guys are good.
I just stood there.
I'm more of
he was on.
Yeah.
Giant, but I was like, the giant came, had the mama vibes. So I was like, pretty all right.
There's people just have that aura. I'm more of a I'll call the service.
Yeah, I called that was me. I'll call the police.
Yeah. That's my role I play.
We had a lady on the side that was doing traffic control, so she was like
Yeah.
slowing cars down too.
That's right.
I'm this role.
Tala no ako.
Hey, mahanga ads.
Find out more after the break.
Okay. Too slow.
This is ages.
Wati just finished.
Every time, it's 8:08. Every time they must give us new ads, like another ad today with another one today.
Well, hopefully that means that people pay for the ads. Yeah.
You shut up.
Come on.
Want to take a learning journey, Phoenix?
So everyone's cameras off now.
No.
No, it
Really?
just says you're low signal. Keikone Mato. You missed the high note challenge.
Oh, lucky.
That was
That
that
was
was
gonna
actually,
leave and jump back in, Mars, because it's not like.
Okay.
that was hard. Phoenix
Bye.
lost.
Bye, Phoenix.
And Phoenix is not here again.
He's gone. He's better.
Oh, whoops.
Whoopsie.
4377 If that's your number, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Tori te kai e kona.
And it's pina coladas. Pina colada.
Am I in? Mars? Oh, yeah. 20 seconds.
Etahi atu kōrero mō te karahipi o te tipu whakarito ki study.teachnz.govt.nz.
Mai te huringa o kāwharu ki te pēpairangi, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa i rono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma iwa i tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Mōrena e te iwi! Get it!
Yeah. Oh, I think I just shouted.
Is that what that is?
Oh my god.
Morning there, Tiwi. You're back with the crew. I hope you enjoyed that news from Wata. You're here with us, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke. Your favorite. Mara.
Oh, yeah.
We got heaps of fun, as you know. We're checking out Donut. I don't know, Donut Disturb, but
Don't not do that again.
and then still to come, we have we're catching up with a local youth worker named Yosefo.
Yeah,
who's coming to talk about
Māori dating.
Yeah,
the app. Nah,
yeah. He was the first candidate that
he
Luke
heard
met.
the karanga.
So we still got a lot to come, and then still, as you know, your favorite segment is Iti Te Kupu in Mānakwe. So the second half is jam packed.
Ai, nō reira, kia anga whakarunga tō tātou te siro, just to give you a recap of what's going on.
That's right.
That's
out
right,
there.
Marcia. The ngā tohu huarere mo tēnei rā. Ki te whakaore pai
Kohi kohi ngā caramel latte.
Oh.
Oh, bro, you changed it to caramel latte.
We said pina coladas.
Like literally
Before,
just before we
hey,
did it.
yeah,
I
just
didn't
before he
listen.
goes,
Ah.
okay, just so
Damn.
you know, I'm doing pina coladas, and you're like, agree, and then
Yeah, and then because I wasn't really into the caramel latte because I've never had one, and I was like faking it.
caramel lattes are
Anyway.
yum.
Here
Sorry
at,
about that.
Here at Te Whanga o Rei Pai. Te Whanga o Rei Pai.
Kia ora.
Kohi ngā pina coladas. It is currently 21.5 degrees. It's a high of 26 degrees today with 81% humidity, which means it is what? It is moist. It is also mostly cloudy. The odd shower, mainly this morning. Northeasterlies and sunset is at 8:32 p.m.
Hara mai te pai. And ki ngā tai o whangarei, high tide is at 20 to 10 morning, and low tide will be at 25 minutes to 4 o'clock.
Come on, man.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
You said 2 with a question mark.
Yeah.
Like we
That's
knew.
too much numbers.
You are
And then speaking of the tides, whānau, kua mātai atu i te māramata.
Oh, Yosef, you want to listen to this
Yes.
one?
Ka piki ake te titiro. Kia heke iho taku korokoro.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Ai, kei te rite ahu. Tēnā no tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga kia nei ko sexy māramataka. Ina nahira i pātai atu ki a hina. He ha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. He ko tāna. Ko whiro. Te āhua o tēnei mārama. He rā pai ki te moe. Kia āta haere. Kau e mahi a te mahi nunui i tēnei a. Kia āta haere. Ko whiro. Te wahanga o tēnei rā.
Wairu ao te aroha Yeah.
Whiro.
Yeah, sexy maramataka.
Sexy
right.
māramataka. Yep. Good day to do nothing, pretty much.
Good day.
Ai, non-productive.
Non-productive.
Alright, e te iwi koira te huarere mō tēnei wā. Kia o ki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly, we're catching up with our guest, our manuhiri mō te rangi nei. Iosefo, nō reira kia utonu mai.
Little Wanda from Sons of Zion. Vantage Point. Go to the mai ngā Hine FM.
Can you see me put a fist?
Here we
Okay.
go.
You can sit here.
Sorry, my legs there. Sorry, let me be in your way. Oh, good. Look,
Oh,
here
good.
we go.
Toko.
Te toko. Nui. Te whanu.
Kia te whanu.
Te whanu. Te whanu.
Kia everybody.
How's Barbara?
Bro, real good.
Would you like to sit here, bro?
She's like, what, 5 and a bit months now?
Bye.
She's like rolling around now.
Oh, hey.
Before you know it, she's going to be
bro.
crawling and then running.
It's all you're like, yeah, crawl. Oh, you're always crawling. And then they crawl you. Like a Bedouin, you're state too.
Yeah. Can't leave her for a couple of minutes now. Just boom.
Yeah.
Later, ball.
Me.
I like this one. Have they got any more? I don't know. He gave this to me.
First
Yeah,
block
like, I
got
feel like you
canned
should
in
win all
Welly.
this stuff.
So
I
we got to
don't
go
know if
to
he's doing
Auckland.
it anymore. He was just a random guy I saw. on
Yeah,
the
so
news.
all the
Who
regions are
worked in a meat factory in Gore.
all like,
And he
yeah.
finally made it to Fashion Week. I think he still works in the meat factory.
So I met the crew in Whangarei yesterday
Fashion
at
Week,
Te
I was
Ora.
like, bro, I love your story. I love what your fashion.
There's a guy named
And from
David
Gore.
Young.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's like,
Yeah,
he
bro,
was
he's
like
man,
chatting to
he's
each other,
on,
each
bro.
other's girlfriends cool, and she was
No,
like, you should wear his
he's
stuff. I was like, I love
Maori
his
and he's got
stuff.
Samoan in him
And he
too.
sent me this. Has got a site.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Arise Church.
Because if
Yeah,
you
bro.
start look at the site, this was like
It's got the
6
fourth
years ago.
baby on the way too.
But we should
Bro, how did you do
challenge
it?
it. I should actually
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Luke Dawson.
Who else?
Luke Dawson fashion.
geez, I can't even remember their names. There's a small group. I think there's a couple from the Sallies.
You look 2008, so he doesn't have any
That's doing.
sight.
It's only me and David doing year 2,
Damn.
and maybe 6 doing year 1. So Alicia's the she's the coordinator for year 1.
She's the man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I think there's like 3 from
That's his
Childa.
fashion. It's just like t-shirts and stuff. Fashion week. But I want another one of these. I want a white one.
Just over
like a cream one.
It's nice and thin, eh?
Yeah, and it's oversized and just long.
That's bro. Who is it from?
Luke Dawson. He's a New Zealand streetwear guy from Gore.
Are they quite expensive? I'd love an oversized thing, bro.
Well, I didn't buy this, but I want another one. He's a cool dude.
Influencer tanga.
So just ask questions that'll get his kaupapa out.
Huh?
Just ask like normal interviews, please.
Oh yeah, yes, of course, of course.
In my bed now, can you see me?
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Te rapunga. Ko te rapunga tētahi o ngā whare o roto o Waiomi o i runga i te papa whenua o Miria. Ko te kaupapa o te whare nei he tū hei whare kōti kia tū hei whare kāwana i te rohe pōtai o Ngāti Hine. I tū kia pēnā anō te hanga ki tā te whare o Porowini. Nā maihi praone kauiti tēnei whare e tū ai. I aia neina ko tū hei whare nui mo Ngāuri o Ngāti Hine Putana.
Te rapunga. Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. More nei te iwi, it is Luke, Marcy and Phoenix, right up until 9 a.m. this morning, flapping the flaps in your nest.
Yes, that's right, whānau. It is us. As you can see, Marcia has yeah, wow.
Marcia, you're morphed.
Yeah, amazing. So Marcia has turned into Yosefo. Like we were saying earlier, we were catching up with Yosefo about his kaupapa. But before that, can you introduce yourself, brother? Tell everyone listening, thousands of people listening, who you are, where you're from, bro. Let us know who you are.
Kia ora, talofa lava, everyone. Warm Pacific greetings to everybody listening. My name is Yosefo Patalisio. I am born and bred in Auckland. I've been here for like 3 and a bit years now. I'm a youth worker for Toko Toko Solutions and been with them for coming up to 10 months now.
Wow.
So, yeah, living tiki hard. Yeah, loving the north.
Yes.
Nice.
That's right.
You,
Now you go, bro.
Toko Toko Solutions. Now, first of all, you work for them, but what are they? What do they do?
So we work with a lot of people that need a bit of awhi. They need to like get back into like school. We have an alternative ed there. We do mentoring with young people from 5 to 16. Our old ed is ranges from 13 to 16-year-olds, and then we have our Harvest Northland as well.
Yeah,
who work with a crew that tries to transition them into full-time employment through the horticulture space. So
nice.
Yeah, I think the youngest we have in our space is 5, and the oldest that we've had.
Oh, heck,
I think through Harvest Northland was in their 60s.
So you're giving young people upwards sort of another opportunity of education.
Yeah, education and just trying to get them back into the community.
Nice.
Yes. And so you're here to talk about a kaupapa Talanoa Ako.
Yep.
Tell us about that kaupapa, bro. What does that kaupapa entail? Entail?
Oh, okay. All right.
How can people get involved? All of that stuff.
So Talanoa Ako is a program for our Pacifica family. So if you have any Pacifica in you, just a little sprinkle, get in touch with us. So it's all about having a talanoa about our education system, just trying to navigate through all of that NCEA, the interview process, because I know some of our Pacifica families are parents. So this is more aimed at the parents, just to help them get a better understanding of what goes on in schools. And I know some of our families are a bit about like there's a language barrier.
Right.
And just anything to do with school is kind of intimidating to them because they feel like they don't understand.
Right.
And yeah, so it's just helping them navigate through NCEA schooling and just giving them, just breaking those barriers as well and knowing what they're entitled to ask as well.
Oh, cool.
So,
Yeah.
like,
So it's like creating a safe space for them to just be
Yeah.
open, honest, have a talk, get to ask the
Mm.
question, and no questions. There's no
No.
stupid question. Just ask the question, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's
Cool.
Yes.
It says here though, you've please join us for dinner and 10 sessions. So what is
Yes.
this? Is this a like
Oh,
a,
is
a
that 10
weekly?
dinners?
Yeah,
10
is that 10
dinners,
dinners?
actually. 10
yeah, I'll
dinners.
get that too.
We know our Pacifica people, we love our food. So,
Yes.
you know, there's a catch there. There's dinner, and we do have vouchers as well for our whānau.
Oh, cool.
So also, it's aimed at the parents, but we also encourage them to bring their kids along as well, so we can help them with their schoolwork if they got homework that day, and also just take away that barrier of finding like someone to look after their kids too. So you know,
Here's just a random question for you, and you're Samoan.
Samoan, yep.
Is there quite a big Pacifica community here in Whangarei?
Apparently there is, but I've only seen like 2
Yes.
Samoans around.
That's the thing. I'm always like, well, do we have a community here? And if we do, great, fantastic. But if we don't, if they are here and they're shy, why would that be? Why would they not want to come out? Come out, wherever you
Yeah,
are.
where are you? Come on.
You'll know.
Yeah, I think we, as Pacifica, like to just stick to our own. And yeah, and that's, they just stay safe with their own people.
Yeah.
So it's on us to break those barriers and go out there and, you know, get them to come along as well. So
Yeah. That's hence the beauty of this kaupapa too, because it's
Yes.
by Pacifica whānau for other specific Pacifica whānau, so they'll feel comfortable in that space, and they
Good.
can talk to people who look like them and can speak their reo, their language.
And good networking too for them to come
Oh,
together.
kind of. Waima.
well, mate. Sekio, eh? So that kupu, that word talanoa, can you tell us more about just that word? Because I know there's quite a deep meaning in terms of the act of talanoa. Eh?
Talanoa. It's just about just having the conversation. You know, so like that's why we want to push the talanoa, because it's all about just having the conversation about these different things that happen in school, and just the education system. So it's all about just creating that safe space so we can just talanoa like what we're doing right now, just having a talanoa and just nice and chill.
So like a wānanga.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Same,
Nice.
Same, but different.
Cool. And when does it start?
So our first session is next Wednesday, the 9th, and it starts at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. And it's held at Whala Pacifica down in Rust Ave, so it's upstairs. And it's run through 10 sessions, and our last session is the 13th of April. Yeah, on a Wednesday as well. So
And you get dinner every time.
every time.
Oh,
Yeah.
Every
I
time.
think I am a little
Like a
bit.
sprinkle of
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
Rarotonga?
Should we stop somewhere?
Yeah, exactly. We stopped on the way here. My tupuna stopped in Samoa to
Yes.
say hello. So
We're all cousins here.
yeah, so I'll come down for those 10 kais sessions. So and anyone can come, Pacifica whānau, anyone. So we're hoping that their parents will come with their tamariki to learn a little bit more about the NCA frameworks, I guess.
Yeah.
Eh?
So it's all for if you've got kids in primary school, intermediate, and high school. So this is all aimed for the parents, but it's for the kids too. So
Cool.
through the parents. So
Nice one.
yeah.
Anything else you want to talk about on that note? Talanoa Ako, sorry.
Cool.
Because I didn't know there was a Whale Pacifica. Didn't know
You
that.
didn't know that?
No. We've got one here just over the road.
Yes.
Holy
I
heck,
stay up the stairs. I knew.
Oh, thanks for
Because
Yeah.
I'm Samoan. Talofalava.
That is
Spots are running
cool.
low. So yeah, if you want to get in touch with myself.
Where can they contact you?
They can contact me on my phone number 021-431986, or you can jump on our Facebook page as well, Toko Solutions Limited on Facebook. Message us on that, and also our website as well, Toko Solutions Limited, and just message us through there, and then we'll get in contact. So yeah, feel free to reach out, and
Amazing.
we'll suss you out.
Cool. And this is also supported by the Ministry of Education and the
Mhm.
Ministry for Pacific Peoples. So it's pretty up there.
Yeah.
It's all the big dogs. So.
Yeah.
All the big funders.
Yep.
So big shout out to those guys. No reira whānau, that was us. That was your Sefo. Do you have any closing words, bro, before we get back to Sheifu?
Sheifu. Oh,
One
nice.
more question, sorry.
Sorry,
What
bro.
does it cost to attend?
No cost.
No
Just your
cost.
time.
Just your time.
Oh,
You get it.
yes.
So no cost, all information, and Kai. Why not go?
I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm coming.
Let's us.
Cool. Thank you so much for joining us today. Tala Noa Ako,
Tala
everybody.
Noa.
Starts next Wednesday, the 9th of February at the Fale Pacifica, Rust Avenue, and it's free. Free.
Beautiful. If you want to, bro, we're about to, after this water, test the donut.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was here
yeah,
for.
so if
too,
you
so-
want to like hang around and you
Nice.
can help judge this donut with Luke, that will be great. No reira whānau ko huki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have Sheifu, ka tū he kotahi. Ngāti Hine FM.
Do you mind if I just use my hand?
Yeah,
Right.
Oh, it's already failed though.
Oh, it's already.
The jam is just in the
Yeah,
middle.
it's in the middle. Oh,
Oh,
I don't want to break it. Oh, can you get it? No, because it's gonna squish out.
What do you want? A knife?
I don't want to break it.
Break it.
Break it.
Break the bread. Well
Oh,
done,
it's a chewy
Yosefo.
one. It's a chewy one.
Got it. Well done. You can still go up, looks like.
Great.
You got what? Jam on the seat. Luke, sort it out. Oh,
Yeah, what did
no.
they say is wrong with
Do
your leg?
not
Oh,
do
no,
that again.
the whole thing ruptured. There's a whole surgery.
He's like, what?
So the knee.
It's
It's
silly.
Did that person like fall
like that. Yeah, and it went. So I had surgery Christmas night.
I think I know where the person lives, bro.
Do you know?
I think it's one of my mates next door neighbors.
Hey, was he talking about it?
No.
I think his name is Josh. I think we were talking about it at work.
Was he like, did I broke someone's leg? Did he say that or something?
No.
Was it the convo?
The guy's name is Bob. Is it Bob? Yeah.
Are you sure? Whose name is Bob
Yeah.
these days?
But it's funny though, 'cause
It
his
sounds
brother's
like the
name's
worst
Josh.
fake.
Oh, I thought it was the brother.
No, I don't know how to say people, but it could. I don't know.
Yeah.
The guy's name's Bob. He's 20. I met him though.
No 20-year-old's named Bob.
Yeah,
It is
It
Bob.
is Bob.
that's
Yeah.
what he told you.
Yeah, that's a made up name.
His
He's already
name's
Googling it.
Anyway, they opened it up and then put it all back together and then stitched it all back. And now we're at 45 degrees bend as far as it'll go there. Yeah.
As opposed to a 90-degree bend.
That was a good one, Phoenix.
Do not do that again. Just keep repeating that. Do not do that
Do
again.
not do that again.
1 minute.
Oh!
For the donut.
Yeah. Oh, it's over a minute. Did you indicate for workout at Common Grounds your favourite gym?
Yes, I did. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Because whangarei te city of gyms.
You're getting a new gym, and then I heard you say.
Are you getting a new one?
No.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
getting a new one.
The Annalisa Lim's one's cool, eh?
Nice.
That looks
It's
cool.
specific for Wahine too.
True.
So they've been doing a lot of research into Wahine, like.
You gotta be
growing
honest
their
about your
cycles,
donut.
post,
Yeah.
pre-pregnancy,
be
all that
brutal.
sort of stuff, 'cause there's
Yeah.
You can be
Nothing,
not
yeah.
brutal.
Because you know,
Is it fresh cream or is it
all
I don't know. I
research
think it's
for
fresh.
most
Looks
research
fresh.
for women is done based on just a small
yeah,
male.
you just be.
So they've done- so
Just
they've
go
done a
for it.
group of males, you know.
Because they've been short out a
Yeah.
woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
then
can
they're just
see
like,
you.
all right,
Thank
well,
you.
that's a small male.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a small male. So that's why heaps of stuff doesn't work.
Would you like the jam side or the
5 seconds.
on jam?
Oh, there's a little bit of jam on this
3,
side.
2.
Do donut. I do da donut day. I do da day. Hey, it's Ngati Hine FM. E ara e mana. Right up until 9 a.m. this morning with Marcia, Luke, Phoenix, and our special guest, Yosefo.
Yes, and we also didn't agree on that being the song.
Hey,
Don't stick with it, okay?
hey, you
Yeah,
said 5
donut.
seconds.
It needs work.
Don't have to do it again.
Do not do that again, okay? Do not. Do not.
Okay.
That's right, Finder. We've come to our donut day where we were previously reviewing pies, but we ate all the pies. We reviewed them all.
Of all the Whangarei.
Yeah, so now we are reviewing donuts, hence the great jingle Dura Donut Day. But we've got Iosefo here. He was a guest talking about his kaupapa Talanoa Ako, that is for Pacifica whānau living here in Whangarei. Just navigating the NCA world,
The seas.
schooling,
Oh,
all of
nice.
that, navigating the seas.
Yeah.
So the NCs EA.
Yeah.
So if you want to check that out, that kicks off next Wednesday, the 8th, one of them, next Wednesday, whatever next Wednesday is.
Wednesday the 9th.
So it kicks off Wednesday the 9th. There's
6
10
p.m.
sessions at 6 p.m. it starts, and there's a kai every time. So if you've just got a sprinkling of Pacifica in you,
You're
you
in.
can go check it out. Take your kids, take your whānau. It's a whānau thing.
Occasion. Yes.
Yeah.
I want to say, well done with your comprehension. You're really good.
You're
Just
really
picking
good.
it up. And you think he's not listening, and then boom, he's listening.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
You take 2 days off a week. It's all
Yeah.
good.
Right, Tiwi, donut time. Where's the donut from? What's the value? And what was like first impressions of it, look wise?
Come closer so everyone can see. There we go. We go about to eat it. This donut has come from the Monu Hot Bread Shop.
Oh,
We
and-
went back there.
And it's a fresh cream
pie
donut.
review.
Fresh cream for you, Marcia.
Kia ora, thank you.
And it is $2.80. So if you put it all
Ooh.
together, that's quite a big donut for $2.80.
Well, last week was
Here we go.
$2.50, eh?
Yes.
And that was huge.
Here we
So
go.
it better be a 30%
Tell us about it.
difference.
Was there a bit of a pull? I saw a little bit
Yeah.
of
Oh, okay.
You don't really want a bit of a you don't want that.
What are you thinking, Iosefo?
The jam is pretty solid.
Oh, jam solid.
Good jam.
Strawberry. Looks like a solid strawberry jam. Oh, I love your
Is yours
review, Luke.
finished already?
Only half.
He sassed it.
Okay, so
The bread doesn't look, it looks a
No.
bit tough.
now, excuse me, it's a bit chewy. Keep talking about trying to swallow my
No, we want to
We're
hear
just
your
watching.
I gotta say, I love donuts, and they used to be $1. They're $2.80 now, but it's not too bad
It is
of
yummy.
a up
It's very
price
yummy.
up.
If you can still like go to somewhere and use change to buy it,
Yeah,
I'm
eh?
always like, that's good.
Hard out.
Last week's donut
Because you can't
was
do that for a
from-
drink.
Nah.
Where was last week's one from?
Onerahi Bakery.
That was soft. It wasn't chewy.
And it was
Oh,
huge.
Yosef
and it
was
was-
like, oh,
and
yeah,
it was
like he knows.
massive. Oh, you've been there before. Yeah, he's been there before. And we rated that one, was it a 7?
yeah, 7.
A 7 out of 10. This week's one is very yummy, and it's fresh cream. It's a little bit chewy, though.
Yeah.
A bit chewy, isn't
Not
it?
the chewy tanga.
I would
Just
buy
not
it
as
again,
light and fluffy.
but the one from Onerahi is still my favourite. That
'Cause
was
you want-
soft, light, and fluffy.
You
Okay,
want to
Jenny.
like indulge in something that's quite, not out of, it's not really that on the healthy scale, but you want to indulge in it and not
Yes.
feel heavy.
Okay.
So is that what you're feeling after that? A little bit heavier?
Well, I kind of feel like I've just eaten a filled roll.
Oh, like that bread.
It's a bit,
Nice.
looks a little bit chewy, but last week's one was just soft and gone.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I'm
that
gonna
was
give-
yum.
I'm going to give this one a 6.
Oh, that's
okay.
still generous.
Respectable.
What do
What
you
about
think?
you, Yosefo?
5.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, he knows
Five.
his donuts.
He knows his donut. That's a.
On the bun.
Oh, there wasn't either.
Oh, he likes the
Look,
the cinnamon.
What did he
sugar
say?
on
There's no cinnamon.
There's no sugar on the
Oh,
bun.
no sugar on the bun.
and you like the jam right through.
I do too. Actually, I'm going to go with you on a 5.
Where do you get the jam right
No,
through?
I've
Just
never
saying.
seen that. Yeah.
Oh, he obviously
Oh,
did that
look,
one.
here we go.
Oh. I think.
Are we going back to Tamaki Makaurau? Are we in Auckland?
If you're in Auckland, can
Ah,
you
yeah.
bring us one next week? That'd be great.
Off the top of your head, off the top of your jam, what's your go-to Auckland donut place?
I don't like the jam like at all.
Oh,
I take it off. Like it's always that little dollop.
You
and I
take it
always
off. You get out.
I always like flick it off.
Get the door.
Nah, I don't like it.
You can't come to Talanoa.
Yeah, I don't like it. I just want the pizzas. Nah, not the
You
one.
and your
And he-
chantilly. Chantilly cream. Any shandy cream.
Takes off the jam.
Nah.
I
I
prefer more jam.
Oh,
yes.
apple. He's
Nah.
adding apple to iwi.
Nah, I don't like that.
Oh yeah, nah. Don't mess with the donut. Just cream and jam.
Exactly.
No.
If it not broke, don't fix it. That's all I
Yes.
want, you know?
Also, like
apple
when you
donut,
when
yes,
you think
please.
of cream and jam, you know you get your scones.
Yes.
I've been like, do you do jam and then a blob of
yes.
cream? I've been to somewhere.
How would you do that now? Otherwise, it'd be
They
like,
did it. They did it. There was like a whole lot of cream and a blob of jam.
Oh, they went the other way.
I go hot scone.
They went the other way.
butter, so it's gooey through jam, and then lots of cream.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kia ora. Right, if you think you know where the donut is in Whangarei, where the top donut is, let us know because we want to eat it.
There was a recommendation to get one from the Regent New World.
Yes.
Regent New World, hands
Oh, you-
down.
Oh,
I would say
He's
that's
heard
like a
fake
burger donut. Oh, no, yeah, there is like a $10 big one, but there's like a one that looks like a burger,
I see.
jam packed with cream and
Ooh,
jam.
Jam
But
packed
the
jam.
bun, I reckon, would give your nice bun a good go.
Okay.
Ooh,
We're in.
and Yosefa, when he heard New World, his eyes lit up. So
yeah.
that must be the one. That
Yeah,
must be
maybe
the one.
Yosef we've hired you for the donut man.
Yeah.
Can you come every
Every
Wednesday with a
Wednesday at 8
donut?
o'clock. Yeah.
Eat the donut.
Hey, and that's sponsored by Tuku Tuku. Thanks, Samu.
Yes. Thanks, Samu. You are now sponsoring our donut section.
Manashe.
We scratch
It's
your
not
back.
a bad idea if we
Yeah.
say so ourselves.
Yes.
Shot Yosef, or
Yeah.
you might not go back to a job
Eating
now.
the children one at a time.
Yeah. So you bring us a donut. We'll interview about any kaupapa having at Tuku Tuku Solutions.
Yes,
what a
that's a
partnership.
great
What a
deal.
partnership.
Let's go.
Yeah. What a-
And
Generators
we're going to
cringing.
all the 10 dinners at Talanoa.
Yes.
Talanoa ako, everybody.
Oh.
Yo anō e te iwi, kua tō te rakirunga i tēnei kaupapa. Kia au ki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Is it Shea Fu again or?
Yeah, it is. Light work.
Back to back.
Back to back Shea Fu because he's a banger. Ngati Hini FM.
It's always long.
Amazing.
Yeah, the back to back. Sure, thanks. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I'm going to talk.
Try it. See what happens. Yes.
We're like, bring in Tuku Solution Kaupapas and the donut, and you can talk about it.
Proudly sponsored by Tuku Solutions.
Hey. Hey.
Solutions.
Sweet. Thanks for coming in. You can go out the same way. I shall walk you out.
I would, but it's too hard. Oh, you'll be told to get back to work. Yeah. Get back to work. Get back to work. That's good. Good to see you. Take
All the
care.
best
See
with
you.
your
Oh, thank
recovery.
you. Yes, thank you.
Sorry.
It's all it's just us. It's all good. See you.
My mask, man. That one. Thank you. Gerard.
See ya. That was fun. That's right. It's almost time to go home.
Yeah.
Yes. Fly to Egypt, go to your Does that hurt? Her name is Moana Waina.
Oh, well.
Oh, heck.
It's because I walked into
Oh.
your lives. Morena Tiwi. Still backstage. What's next? Forward selling or straight into it?
Straight in.
It's Itikapu. Man, hair noy, eh?
Bro, they just get more and more.
There. Many hands make light work. How
I got
te
an
ra
offer
ki
on my
waha.
NFT yesterday with
Oh, yeah?
2.5 ETH.
Oh, what's that?
1 ETH was just over $4,000 US. So
Oh, yeah.
2.5.
Like, you're cracking it.
I turned it down.
Oh, yeah, hard.
Dreamers.
Nah, you want double digits.
Yeah. Oh, straight up. Like, minimum 10 ETH. Minimum. Yeah. And they because yesterday Bandman Kivo is one of the guys behind it. He just started a record label yesterday, Trillionaire Thugs official record label.
Man, they will be raking it in just from people buying the NFTs.
Yeah.
Broskies.
Well, you only get paid from the first initial, which was about. Oh, there's a spot block after this. Actually, there's heaps. There's 2 minutes still.
I just saw the book.
Yeah, so. Oh, you locked the door and they don't come in?
Yes, I want him to, so he can pretend he can't.
What are you on about?
Huh?
Yeah. It's just, I don't know.
Can you open the envelope?
Yeah, we all been getting offers like 2.5. Me and that and George. Like, but if you think about if we've got 2, that's.
Oh yeah, hard.
We both get offers, of the same.
What? It's just cool that it's gonna be a massive from what you got it.
2.5 ETH. That's 4.8.
I know someone that sold or was like, and now that I think about it, I should have just bought it that way. Straight away, he was like one ETA, or how do you say it? ETH, 1 ETH, like straight away. I don't know if he sold it, but I was like, that's less than 12 hours, bro. Like, hold.
Tupu sold his for 0.6.
Oh, has he got one
he
still?
Bought 2, and he sold one just to get his money back on both of them.
But why? Like, he didn't need that money.
Literally, the next day, we were getting 2 ETH offers, and he was like, "Oh, bro, I fucked up." I'm like, "Yeah, you fucked up."
But you already knew that was going that way.
No fake. 5 seconds.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu. More nei te iwi ara mara.
Ara mara, you're here with the crew. If you've just joined us, you missed our kōrero with Yosefo about his their kaupapa at Toko Toko Solutions called Talanoa Ako, which kicks off next Wednesday, the 8th of Feb. 9th of Feb. I knew it too. Next week, Wednesday, 9th of Feb, it's a kaupapa for Pacifica whānau to learn the ropes of NCEA and just come in and ask any questions they have about schooling for the tamariki, and also shared kai. 10 sessions over the next 10 weeks. Boom.
Amazing. It's a great little kaupapa, that one. And it's free. Yeah, free. I love that.
Yeah, so even if you're Pacifica and you know everything you need to know about NCEA, just go for a kai.
Yeah. Out. Oh, bless. Kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga I kia nei ko...
Te kupu, yeah.
Call it, call back,
Kia ora, you know what this segment is all about. Te reo Māori and doing it one kupu whakarite, one Māori metaphor, or similarly, ia te rā. And today is no difference with this rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero, tēnā whakarongo mai.
Ooh, that felt good.
And if you really want to, you can text it.
Patuhi kōrero, tēnā pānui mai.
Oh, that felt amazing.
Yes, I'm getting straight onto it. I don't have to climb up to it.
Yeah, no, that's right. I te tuki te rangi nei, te pai hara
And if you
mai.
really want to go and pick some kutai, you can.
Whakaore pai, kohi ngā kutai.
Get it? I'm like, we're throwing us on the spot, love it. It's the only way.
Absolutely.
Nō reira, ko te kōrero mō te rangi nei, ko te kupu whakarite mō te rangi nei, ko... Tēnei, it's coming. Taku manu noho matarai.
Oh, easy.
Taku manu, my
Taku
bird.
manu noho matarai.
Noho, my bird that rests or sits or nests or lays.
manu ka turua.
Matarai.
Taku manu ka turua. Akane.
Yes.
Trying to do the cup here.
That was actually very good.
Yeah.
It was.
Taku manu noho matarai.
Noho
Yes.
matarai. That sounds cool.
It does
I don't
sound
know what it
cool,
means,
like
but it
manu
sounds
whititua.
Yes.
Taku manu noho. Instead
I
of
think
Noho
it's actually
matarai.
matarai.
Mata,
Yes.
like
Aroha
Te
mai.
matarai.
Ai,
i ore.
tika. Taku manu matarai. Noho matarai.
So it's got to do with a
Taku
bird.
Manu noho
You got
matarai.
it.
But taku manu, so my own belonging of a bird, so my sort of guardian, perhaps.
Tira, pai tira. Pai tira whakaaro.
My
Noho matarai.
what's matarai?
I don't know. I'm just saying it over and
Okay,
over again.
matarai. Anei te Māori dictionary ne. Te mea poto e kia nei. Te matarai he important person.
Ah.
Or, yeah, that's it.
So if this is about an important person, maybe the
Aye.
bird is the symbol of the one that can
Yeah.
flit around and it's got such importance it can go around like a guardian, like a
Ora.
person of
Yeah.
flittering importance.
Ai, koira
Yeah.
tō mātou tala noa ne.
Ah,
Ai, o
Mātou
tēnei kupu.
talanoa.
no ako.
Ai. It really is. We're in a
Yeah.
talanoa ako right now. Yes, so important person, taku manu. I think it's just a beautiful way of saying
Manu
that.
noho matarai.
Taku manu noho mātarai.
I love
Matarai.
that.
Taku manu noho. So yeah, someone who is with you.
Yeah.
Very important person. sits
Yeah,
with you.
so tērā pēr ko tō krani, I don't know,
Ah,
tō
yes.
rangatira.
Mm.
Ana tai mai, if you, sorry, I'm not referring to you, just my rangatira over here. Ko tai mai taku manu noho matarai. Or tērā pēr, ana ko tai mai te premio o Aotearoa te manu noho matarai.
Ah, I got you.
Te manu noho matarai.
So
The
a person of
dignitary.
the person of importance.
Yes, kia ora.
That's cool. I like
is
that.
cool.
And then, yeah,
Te
with
manu noho
te
matarai.
being someone of importance, or taku, my person of importance.
I'm going to put that
I
into.
see. Generic,
Yes,
important
that
person.
person over
Taku
there.
Taku
mai.
mai.
Yes.
I like that.
Or you could say if you really felt, yeah, well, whoever you felt
Yeah.
like that
But
belongs to you, like
yeah.
that's my dignitary.
I wouldn't be calling the Prime Minister
No.
Jacinda
No, you
Ardern
could- but you-
So,
taku
anei, ko
manu.
tai mai tō tērā pēr tō hoa rangatira,
Yeah.
anei taku noho. Oh, see, that sounds beautiful though,
Yeah.
eh?
Yes.
Tēnā koe e te hine, e taku.
You
Noho.
could, yeah, that's a
Manu
good
noho
one.
Yeah,
matarai.
ko ai tērā. A ko hau tēnei ko Phoenix, ana ko taku no, manu noho matarai hoki. Gee.
Yes.
So it's just another word for like esteemed leader or esteemed thing for you.
Yeah.
I like that. That's
Just
a goer.
anything great.
I'm going to put that in
Yeah.
my CV too.
Taku
Manu
manu no by This is Jam.
Oh no! After this, I had another one to put before the news.
Fiji.
We're gonna do a Mountain Queen. That's gonna go straight into the news.
Oh,
So I
true.
find the song- Yeah. Well,
Oh, yeah,
put my
sweet.
song on.
I don't have to
A
do it.
Mountain
I
Queen.
can just go straight into your guys' stuff.
No, we
that
need
is
a
it.
Mountain.
That is it. I've only got one Mountain Queen for today.
Me too.
Yesterday's one was a pregnant goldfish is called a twit.
I heard. I
quite like that one.
He listened.
Good.
Goldfish called a twit.
Can't turn up to work, but you can listen. Nah, I'm being stupid.
And to Waka.
That's right. I just had a baby, but I should have just come because Luke said.
My sister was NCA source. This was back when it was first. Yes, in my first year of that. And
Guinea
my year,
pigs.
Natalie was the
Oh, the
last
first
year
NCA.
of the old
School
way.
C. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would have failed in school C straight up.
Alright, that's how. So school C
Was just
everything
exams at the
straight
end.
away.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Which
sit
is
at the
not.
exam at the end of the year.
I'm like, what do we do in the beginning of the year? I forgot
I
everything
actually
you've
think it
taught.
was easier
Well, what a
than
like a
actually.
dumb way, eh? Like,
Yeah. Well, 'cause
here's
then
an exam, and the lesson that was in January
Yeah.
is in the exam.
And that's why they changed it because essentially you end up just trying like it came down to who could cram the most information in the day before.
Yeah,
exams.
pretty much.
Caveman. That's caveman. The whole education system, caveman.
Yeah. But what I don't get about the education system is that all of them, like all, go to the TED Ed talks, go to the let's change the system. Like not one of them doesn't do that and agree with that. But then they come back to the same system. Like we had a great week and we're changing it.
Their hands are so tight because it's the teachers that go, but it's not them that get to make the decisions on how to run the curriculum and that. There's too much people above them. They like principals and then above that and then above that. They just tie their hands up.
But those who do there's just teachers out there that are meant to be teachers, eh? They're just great at it. Same with principals. And you just see it by their kura thriving.
Ooh, no, stop there. 20 seconds.
That's right, you did.
Me and Common were listening to you guys on the way when I was
Oh,
school.
cute.
10 seconds.
I always forget which one's which with your.
You want to go my way to Onoki Whangarei? Ngāti Hine FM.
That was Jam with a jam because we were trying to get our Pacifica vibes on because we were talking earlier about Talanoa Ako, a kaupapa for Pacifica whānau here in Whangarei. That kicks off next Wednesday, the 9th.
Correct.
Right.
Well done. You got it right, and it's free.
I thought about the 8th. I was saying 8th in my head, 8th in my head.
Basically, it's a dinner and show for free.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
I like that.
Dinner, kōrero, wānanga.
Free.
Beautiful. Free.
I tēnei wā ke anga tō tātou titiro ki ngā random facts.
That's
Hit
right.
us.
Right.
Ai, tono.
Right, I'm going to take you to the deep ocean at the moment. Did you know
I like
a shark is the only fish that can blink with both eyes?
Like
That's-
at once.
Yeah. it can
Also,
blink.
if you go to Mian's restaurant right now, there's this black, ugly fish in their fish tank. I don't know about the blinking, but
it's ugly.
The mouth opens up against the wind, like the windows, whatever, the glass, and it's just like Alien vs Predator.
Oh, yes.
Honestly, Mum was like, I can't eat. Anyway, back to you.
What was it again? Tell us again.
A shark
Yeah.
is the only fish that can blink with both eyes.
So what does fish
They
only
don't blink.
They don't blink.
Well, I think they either blink with one or they don't blink at all.
So if you blink with one, it ain't a blink, it's a wink.
And and dolphins sleep with their eyes open.
That's correct, Marcia.
So
That's my
essentially,
next one. It's right there. Dolphins sleep with my-
Well, yeah. Come on, Luke.
so essentially,
That's-
fish
everybody knows
fish are
it.
just
No.
very flirtatious. So they just swim around like that.
Aye. Yeah, just like
here's another
aye.
one. It is
Except for
physically
Bruce.
Yeah.
It's physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky.
Oh.
So and then it says,
I can do it.
Yeah. And then it
Joke's
says,
on you.
if you're reading this, you're going to try it.
No, we didn't try it. We proved that we're not pigs.
Yeah. So if someone's like, "Oh, you're a pig,"
Go.
But look,
Yeah, it's physically impossible
Yeah, you go like
for
this, but look,
pigs.
ouch, oh no.
They can't look up to and if you look at a pig, they don't have a
Well, because their neck must be too short in stature. Eh? 'Cause
yeah,
it's
because
like
they're all
Or no
straight,
neck.
so they can't.
Yeah.
They don't look up.
Oh no, they have pork chop neck.
Yeah, I've got one about our muscles
Oh, get it.
and our brain. Did you know our brain regulates the strength of your muscles? So we are actually like our muscles are actually strong enough to break your own bones. So if you were to extend your leg out, technically your muscles are strong enough to snap the bone. Like they're actually strong enough to do that, but your brain regulates
Yeah, thank goodness.
muscles not
That's
to.
awesome.
Yeah, yeah. Or if you like hyperextending your arm, you're actually strong enough to
I
break
can-
it, but you don't.
What's this?
Who said?
We've got
Yeah.
a comment. Marcia, you had a pig called Alistair.
Did I?
Oh, it says we had a pig called Alistair. I'm
Oh,
assuming that was you or your
no,
mum.
no, mum did. It was huge. Like it became like a pet. I think they had to kill it, but
Did you eat it?
no, she was embarrassed because Grandpa. It was huge, and it'd be on the. I remember a story being on the back of their van, and they had to go through the middle of town, holding on to the pig or something. And so mum was like, so embarrassing.
And
Just
there's
us and
Alistair.
Alistair the pig.
Cute.
I
Oh,
didn't
that's
know where that
cute.
went, but they had a great dinner that night.
Yeah. No, he just went to live in the wild. What's
Yeah.
for dinner? Pork.
Oh, crackling.
Yes.
Oh.
Way to go, Alistair.
My last one is emus and kangaroos cannot walk backwards.
Is it emus or emus?
Oh,
Legit
I read it as
question.
Emu, but yes, emus. Emus and kangaroos cannot walk backwards and are the Australian coat of arms for that reason.
Oh, kokiri whakamua.
Yes.
They can't walk backwards. It's always full on, forward, forward, forward
fuzzy.
the whole time.
Cacks.
So what happens if there's a wall in front of them? Just
See, Australia doesn't think they're far
Oh,
ahead.
Phoenix,
They need to
that
listen to
was
the Aboriginal
good.
people.
Eat the emus. Eat them. Eat them, mate.
Yeah, the Aboriginal eat the kangaroo.
yes. Anyway,
What
Fano.
happens if there's a wall?
Yeah. Anyway, Fano, don't let a wall block your dreams and ambitions.
Walk backwards.
Yeah, walk backwards. And on that note, Fano.
Oh, wait, I've got
Oh.
one more. One more note.
Right,
In
go,
order to
go.
fall asleep, you have to pretend to be asleep.
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
That
I'm
was
glad we
amazing.
waited for
Yeah,
that. I'm glad we
I'm
waited.
glad you did.
No.
Oh, that was good.
So finally, we've wrapped up our show. What an amazing show, if we do say so ourselves. What a way to finish, too, on that, to fall asleep, you have to pretend to be asleep.
He
Right.
horny.
Oh.
Tala noa ko tira. You're welcome.
No reira whānau, that is us for the day. You've been a great audience. Mai ia mātou te whānau o Eara e Mara. Kia kaha.
Sorry. Kia maia.
Kia nifa.
Bye, everybody. See you
Oh,
tomorrow.
now
Eara e
we
Mara.
have your news from Wātea.
Whoop whoop.
Ngāti Hine FM.
E ngai iwi o
Oh. Turned you off the news at Iwi Online. Engari, mai a mātou mo tēnei wai. Have a great day. Ka kite anō.